I listen to the message and I think chop other people's heads off, not interested. Abuse women, not interested. Treat children as sex slaves, not interested. Hate the Jews and the Christians, not interested. So, based on the details of the message, I am saying not interested, rejected. What would you do?
Okay, you don't want it. Okay, it's okay. You don't want it. It's okay.
Sure. But what does the Quran say?
Yeah, if you don't want it, it's okay.
So please listen carefully.
Yeah.
Aziz is repeating multiple times. If I don't want it, he is okay.
Not me. Everyone, it's okay. It's your
What
choice.
does the Quran say?
Your choice. You don't want it. It's choice. Your
What
choice.
does the Quran say?
Your choice.
Okay, let's read the choice.
Okay, no, listen to me.
No, camera, please. If you, don't panic.
Yeah.
So, one second. So, according to Aziz,
Yeah.
if I don't want it,
Yeah.
he will be fine. He will move back to Saudi Arabia and everything will be rosy again. But let me read, my dear friend.
Allah.
Let's read.
No, listen to me.
No, don't. Wow. Please listen. Stand here. You're hiding cameras, please. Please stand here, Aziz.
Yes.
Aziz, please read this carefully.
I
So-
don't read English, you know.
I know you don't. Let me read. Listen carefully. So you are telling me if I refuse to take Islam, that's fine. But that's not what the Quran is telling me. So let me read what the Quran says. Surah 9. For example, Surah 9, Ayah 5. When the inviolable months are passed, then kill them. Kill the polytheists.
Yes.
Kill the polytheists wherever you find them and capture them and besiege them and sit and wait for them at every place of ambush. But if they should repent,
Okay.
i.e. if they become Muslims,
Okay.
establish prayer, i.e. become Muslims, and give zakah, let them go their way. In other words, if they become Muslims, fine. If they don't become Muslims, kill them, capture them,
Yeah.
besiege them. Don't do
I know,
explain.
I know. Read before and after, not just that. That's
I've
for
read the entire surah.
Everyone fight us, we fight him. If anyone fight you, you're gonna fight him.
You see, now
Yes.
the can is being opened.